is this noise coming from? So it's like it cannot that noise cannot be coming from her. Like